Blood is a body fluid in humans that delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transports metabolic waste products away from those same cells. Blood is considered a specialized form of connective tissue. It is composed of blood cells suspended in blood plasma. Plasma, which constitutes 55% of blood fluid, is mostly water, 92% by volume, and contains protein, glucose, mineral ions, hormones, carbon dioxide, and blood cells. The blood cells are mainly red blood cells, also called RBC or erythrocytes, white blood cells, also called WBC or leukocytes, and platelets known as thrombocytes. It makes up around 8% of our body weight. An average adult possesses around 5 to 6 liters of blood. It has a pH of 7.35 to 7.45, making it slightly basic. Where is blood found in the body? Blood is found in blood vessels. Blood vessels, which are arteries, veins, capillaries, take blood to and fro from every part of your body. Blood is circulated around the body through blood vessels by the pumping action of the heart. Where do blood cells come from? The production. The blood cells are made in bone marrow, and the process of making blood cells is known as hematopoiesis. Bone marrow is a spongy tissue located inside some bones. It contains young parent cells called stem cells. These blood-forming stem cells can grow into all three types of blood cells: red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. When blood cells are fully mature and functional, they leave the bone marrow and enter the blood. Healthy people have enough stem cells to keep making all the blood cells they need every day. In the fetus, blood cells are produced by the bone marrow, liver, spleen, and thymus. This changes during and after birth. The liver stops producing blood cells around the time of birth, while the spleen stops producing them soon after birth, but continues to produce lymphocytes for life. From infancy onwards, blood cells are produced in bone marrow. Bone marrow produces 200 billion new red blood cells every day, along with white blood cells and platelets. Lymphocytes are additionally produced in lymphoid tissue and organ like thymus, tonsils, lymph nodes, spleen, and patches of lymphoid tissue in the intestine. What gives blood its red color? Blood contains hemoglobin, which is responsible for giving blood a characteristic red appearance. Blood is responsible for many body functions, like it provides oxygen to the cells. Blood absorbs oxygen from the lungs and transport it to different cells of the body. Second, removal of waste. The waste carbon dioxide moves from the blood to the lungs and exhaled. Blood enters the kidney, where it is filtered to remove nitrogenous waste out of the blood plasma. The toxins from the blood are also removed by the liver. Third, transports hormone and nutrients. The digested nutrients such as glucose, vitamins, and proteins, etc., are absorbed into the blood through the capillaries in the villi lining of the small intestine. The hormones secreted by the endocrine glands are also transported by the blood to the different organs and tissues. Fourth, homeostasis. Blood helps to maintain the internal body temperature by absorbing or releasing heat. Fifth, blood clotting. The platelets help in the clotting of blood at the site of injury and prevent excess blood loss. Then, protection of body against pathogens. The white blood cells fight against infection. They multiply rapidly during the infection. I will cover details on different types of blood cells in upcoming videos. Do subscribe to get the notification. Thank you.